You guys are excited about this video because I know I'm excited to show you this makeover. So excited to show you this makeover and how this room really came together on a $30 budget. Welcome back, everybody. This is your boy D Hayes, the DIY Monsta. And I just have to say thank you so much for the amazing response that you guys have given me from episode number 1 of this DIY $30 budget-friendly, renter-friendly makeover of this bathroom. All right, so let's just jump right into it, okay? So in the last video that you guys saw in episode 1 of this DIY bathroom makeover, there were 4 things that I already identified that needed major help, like major help. So 1 was tackling those walls. They were plain, they were white, yeah, you know, nothing major. So 1 was removable wallpaper, putting that up to really bring the room to life and make a big, bold statement in the room. And for number 2, I tackled the cabinet portion of the vanity. As you already know, the color of it clashed with the actual flooring, and it just didn't go with the overall theme and that vibe that I was looking for the bathroom. And those 2 remaining things is the countertop. The green countertop. Let us pray. The last thing after that I wanted to update was the actual mirror. So the mirror was this beveled glass mirror. It was nice. It did have some damage around the bottom, which I am going to show you guys a tip on how to fix that if you do have that situation. Or if you have a mirror that has no frame around it, I can show you a tip that is very helpful, very inexpensive to fix that and frame it out and make it really pop. So without further ado, let's jump right into the next 2 DIY projects that's left before the grand reveal of this bathroom that you're definitely not going to want to miss, so don't go anywhere. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button, liking this video, sharing this video, and again, doing all those things, and continue to show your boy some love because I appreciate you. And I love showing you these budget-friendly, renter-friendly tips and tricks that can completely transform your spaces into a space that you're proud of and that you want to have friends over, that you can just live in, and it's a reflection of you and your personal style. All right, so the nice thing about this removable wallpaper that it has on the back side of it makes it easier to cut it because it has all the grid lines on the back of it. And what's also nice is each line is pretty much worth 2 inches. So when I'm gonna see how it looks, because I feel like the mirror, although I really like it, I feel that it's a little too glamour for the space, as well as more so I can live with it, but it's really this here. I don't like this damage or whatever is going on with this mirror. So since I can't replace it, you know, I'm gonna just see how it looks if I was to cover this 2-inch border that's around the mirror with this black wallpaper vinyl. So we'll see how it looks. Alrighty, so I'm almost finished with, I put up the wallpaper, I put it down, cover the bottom as well in this vinyl removable wallpaper, so if you ever want to change your mind, the good thing is it comes right off. It is waterproof, so that's also good as well, especially being in the bathroom. But I definitely think it makes an impact, so I'm going to work on this last piece here. I decided to cover the edges, the border of the mirror, just to kind of tone it down a bit so that it makes it more modern and not feel super like luxe. So now it actually looks like there is a wood border, as you can see, going around it, and since it doesn't look cheap, I'm gonna go ahead and roll with it. I like it a lot, so. Alrighty, so making a lot of progress. Just finished up the mirror, doing this border around it. As you can see, it's nice and clean. It even has kind of like a little textured pattern on it, so it actually mimics wood. I think it looks really nice. It makes the mirror look way more modern, and it pops against this black and white stripe, which it complements it very well versus what it was just that glass mirror border around it, as well as looks nice with this bottom piece as well of the cabinet of the vanity. So now it's time to tackle the elephant in the room, which is this green, ugly countertop. Oh my god, I can't wait for that to be gone. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do for the countertop. It's kind of like this gray faux marble. It is waterproof, so I think that's very important, especially with being right here with the sink. So I think it'll complement nice, especially when I start adding in those other elements and stuff like that. You don't want everything to be too matchy-matchy. So once I start adding those other elements in on top of this vinyl, you know, hopefully it doesn't look cheap. This wish was a little, it's like more like white and gray. That it'll look nice, but we'll see. Not, I'll just order something else from Amazon. With every DIY project, it's always a good idea to come up with a plan of execution to ensure the best results. So for this particular project, I decided to divide the sink up into 4 separate parts. That way making it easier to apply it in sections, in 4 different sections. Also to ensure a more seamless look by only having 4 seams to connect the different piece side by side after side. Now I will say with this particular product, it is a lot stronger than the normal removable wallpaper that I use. It's also waterproof, which is great because it is in the bathroom. And as you can see, I've already got through section 1, gone through section 2, and I'm on my way to completing the entire product. Overall, I would say I was very pleased with this product. I'll leave a link below in the description. Alright YouTubers, as you can see, the wallpaper is done. I've done the border around the mirror as well to give it a more modern feel. The countertop has been recovered as well to give it a more, got rid of the green, which was ugly. It's all done. And even covered the actual cabinet as well with this black wallpaper as well. So, complete transformation. Definitely looks more updated, feels more modern, feels more unified, and it's going to make a great foundation for all of the decor that I plan to add to this to really bring the space to life. So that's what I'm going to be doing next, the fun parts of it all. Before we get into the fun part of this DIY project, let's just take a look at the before picture. Look at how it looked before and now after. Such a dramatic change, an inexpensive change for $30. Again, ugly green countertop, so glad it is finally gone. Now the bathroom is much more chic, has a much cleaner look, just amazing transformation. Alright guys, so now it's time for the fun part, the part that I enjoy the absolute most. This is the part when you start tying everything together. So, you know, having a small bathroom doesn't mean a boring bathroom, as you can see. Another great way, if you have a small bathroom, to increase your storage is by adding a space saver. A space saver increases your storage as well as you can, you know, put different things on it. As you can see, I've also added baskets as a way to hide those things that, you know, you need in the bathroom, but I don't necessarily want to see, like toilet paper, toothpaste, air fresheners for that matter. Another thing that I like to do in a bathroom is always to add some type of floral, and you'll see that in the grand reveal. You know, just bring some type of life into the room. You don't want to have everything so just plain, I guess you could say. Another thing that I like to do in my space is add those different little positive messages of affirmation that just help me keep motivated and just stay positive. Lastly guys, just remember to have fun when creating your spaces. Alright guys, we're finally at that point in the video where it's about to go down. The big reveal of this $30 DIY bathroom makeover. This renter-friendly, budget-friendly makeover of the bathroom. All right, so you ready? Let's go. Wraps up that $30 makeover of the bathroom. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed it. I hope that you're able to take some of those DIY tips and tricks away with you that's both budget and renter friendly and able to utilize it in your own homes. Make sure if you have any questions, please feel to drop them below so that I can get back in touch with you and respond to you guys. And I thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you next Saturday on the DIY Monsta channel. Peace.